Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing my favorite pepper spray brand. It's by a company called POM Industries. Next generation pepper spray. 0.5 ounce, this is what it looks like. It's a 3-pack. POM stands for peace of mind. Made in the USA proudly. Nice, this is what it looks like. 3-pack. Key features. Nice formula, performance, range. It's really nice. All right, let me open one up. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. 3 packs, pretty good deal. All right, let me open this up. Sealed really well, so using a knife to open, get the top off. All right, there we go. Here we go. Wasn't the cleanest, but that's what it looks like. This is what these look like. So it's nice because this one has a keychain. Hook it on here. And black on black. Clean. It has a nice safety mechanism here, so you can only press down on it when you lift this up, so it won't go off accidentally. Really nice. Let me show you all this again, different angles. And let me show you the instruction manual. Oops. Two steps, that's it. Slide thumb between flip top and actuator. Press to fire, release pressure to stop. Cool. That's it. Here's the back side. All right, let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. See you at the next unboxing video. Later.